Okay, students. So, in today's class, we will discuss about International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration is famous in USA, Britain, and France, and Australia also. In International System of Numeration, period is all after every three places. Okay, I had already discussed with you what is place and what is period. Period period are that are read together. They are read together. They are read together, and they are also read together. So they are called period. And these are places. These are places. Dotted ones are places. So in a international system of numeration, period is after every three places. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. This is ones period. This is thousands period, and this is millions period. Suppose we have one number 231543879. To read such a large number, what we will do, we will place it in a place value chart. This is place value chart. This is place value chart, and to read this number, we will place it in place value chart. See here, 9 is placed here, 9 is placed here, 8 is, then 7 is placed here, then 8 is placed here, and 3 is placed here, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay, so we will read it together. We will read it 231 million. Okay, 231 million 543,000, 543,000, and then 879, and this is expanded form of this number. You already know what is expanded form. When we add the place value of all the digits, when we add the place value of all the digits, it becomes expanded form. So here place value of 9 is 9, place value of 7 is 70, place value of 8 is 800, place value of 3 is 3000. Similarly, place value of 4 is what? Place value of 4 is 40,000, 550,000. Then similarly, when we do that for all these digits, it becomes our expanded form, and the number is itself expanded form. So having learned this expanded form and standard form, let's go to our exercise. For this exercise, I have chosen three questions for unit test 1 revision question. Okay, so these three questions are our revision question. For unit test 1, you have to do this three question. From to all the four question A, B, C, D. From third A, B, C, D, and fourth also A, B, C, D. And now I am going to solve uh, some questions from this question. Okay. First question is 8 commas at the appropriate places according to the international system of numeration. So first, what we'll do, we will place this number in place value chart. So our number is 315200. So 002 315. So now, and you know that in international system of numeration, from last side we add a comma after 3 digit. So and we will read it together. We will read it together. So it will become 300, 300, 15, 15, what? 1,000 and 200. So we will write here 315,000 and what? 200. Similarly, we can do that for next question. This 601 2990. So we will first, what we'll do, we will place it in place value chart. So let's place it 0 9 9 2 1 0 and 6. Now can you read it? These are read together, they are read together, and they are read together. It is 6 million, or what? 12,990. 990. And you have to write this in word also, because in question it is saying write the numbers in words. So you have to write it, what? 6,012,990. I hope you can solve the next question, C and D. If you have any problem, then you feel free to ask me any doubt. Next is third question. Right. Third question is saying write each number in figures. You have to write number in figures, and according to international system of numeration. According to international system of numeration, it is so to write in figure in an international system of numeration, you have to make what? Again, you have to make a place value chart. You have to make a place value chart. And then question is 623,600. Where is 600? Where is thousands period? See at 1,000. So where is thousands period? This is thousands period. Where it is 600? So 600, 23,000, 623,000 and 140, 140. And comma, where will be comma? After 3 digits. From last side, after 3 digit, it will be comma. I hope you are able to understand. Then let's solve second question. Second question is 4,000,000, 4,301,605. So again, what we'll do? It is 4 million. Okay. So we will write here 4. Then what? 301,000. 301,000. It is in hundreds place. It is in units, thousands place. And then 605. 605. So here is our answer, that we all had to this is called figure, numbers in figures. Okay. I hope you will be able to solve C and D. Let's go to our next question. Next question is fourth. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blanks. What is saying 5 million is equal to how many hundred thousands? Okay. So maybe you will get confused. So what you have to do? You have to again make place value chart. So all the questions can be solved using place value chart. So here what is saying 5 million. Okay. So let's place it in million. and there is no 100,000, so what it will be? 0. There is no 10,000, so it will be 0, and all will be what? 0. And we have to tell it is how many 100,000. So see, from here to here, no, to 100,000, it is 50. It is 50 100,000. 50 100,000. Next question is how many million is equal to 210,000? 210,000. Where is 10,000? Here it is 10,000. How many 10,000? 210,000. Okay. So how many million? Answer is 2 million. I hope you are able to solve this question. So let's go to our next, fourth C. Fourth C. Here 67 million is equal to how many? 100,000. How many 100,000? Again we will do the same thing. Here it is million, millions ones place, millions tens place, millions hundreds place. It is tens place, so here it will write 67 million. Okay, will write 60 million. Here 0 0 0 0 0, and we have to tell it is how many 100,000. Here you can see that 100,000, and here it is million. So I hope you are able to give the answer. It is 600 what? 670 100,000. Okay. Next question is 70 lakh is equal to how many million? 70 lakh is equal to how many million? It is in lakh. It is in Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. What is how? What is place value chart for Indian system of numeration? It is 0. Then what? Tens. Then what? 100. Then 1,000. Then 10,000. Then lakh. Then what? 10 lakh. Okay. So it is saying 70 lakh is equal to how many million? Here we have to write 70 lakh. Okay, 70 lakh is equal to how many million? I hope you are able to give me the answer. It is 7 million. It is 7 million. 10 lakh है ना? 70 lakh, sorry, 1 moment, 70 lakh is equal to 7 million. Next question. Okay, we'll do last question. Okay, this will be our last question. It is asking how many crore is equal to 80 million. First we will place 80 million in place value chart. 8 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, so these our, we have placed 80 million in place value chart. So let's make crore. Crore it is in Indian system of numeration. Lakh is in Indian system of numeration. Again 2 crore is in Indian system of numeration, and lakh is in Indian. So when we have to convert from international to Indian system, or Indian system to international system, what we need to do is we need to make place value chart of both the numeration system. We need to make the place value chart for both the numeration system. So let's make a numeration chart, sorry, place value chart for Indian system of numeration. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, sorry, it is it is intern Indian system of numeration. So here it will be what? Here it will be lakh. Then what? 10 lakh. Then what? Crore. Then what? 10 crore. So we have to tell 80 million is equal to how many crore? Can you give me the answer? 80 crore, 80 million is equal to 8 8 crore. How many crore? 8 crore. So this way it will be solved. Thank you for watching this video.